Hello, my name's Rayansh and I am 8 years old. I love paper airplanes. I create a lot of paper airplanes that fly far, have a good glide, and even some that boomerang. And in this video, I will be teaching you how to fold a plane that is easy and flies far, iron. In order to fold iron, you'll need an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. To begin, we're going to fold the top right to the left. So then we are going to open that up and do the same thing on the other side. So then you are going to open that up and turn your plane around. From there, you're going to fold this to the bottom so that there is a pointy triangle at the top. So then you are going to unfold that and turn your plane around. The next step you're going to do, you're gonna take and sort of hook that top part to the bottom and collapse everything into the center crease. After that, I prefer to turn the plane over and fold these to the top. Okay, so then we're gonna go to quite a tricky step. You're gonna hold one layer on the bottom and then take the other layer and open it up, putting your thumb or finger all the way through to that back point and merge it into a square. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Also, just note that you should crease like this. It helps get your crease harder. The next step you're going to do is fold the side edges to the center. There should be a tiny line that is visible to you, and that is the center mark. And if the line is not there, you can just fold your plane in half and fold the edges to the center. After that, you're going to open up the top two edges and fold these in on the existing crease. You're just going to do a reverse fold, and then you're going to open that up. So then you're going to fold the edges back into the center and fold your plane in half. After that, you're going to fold the wings right to the base. Sometimes going a little past it if you want it to have a better glide. And if you want it to fly faster, do not. And it is very important to get the wings to match because symmetry is important. After you've folded the wings, you have just one last step to do. Fold the stabilizers. And remember, the smaller the stabilizers, the further and faster it flies. Like about this in size. So after you've done that on both sides, you're just gonna crease everything to make it fat and it's strong. So, after that, you're done with your plane. Iron. So this is how it pops.